better with the comments that I read. Wait, is this one over?
I got all these cars and I don't even want a car. I don't even like that.
Right, nigga want to get drove around. That's how I do. I get drove around. Oh, yeah, right there. I'm really don't really liking driving like that. You get to a certain place, you need to take my mind to this location now. Actually, they got cars now that drive themselves and drive you to your location, like an Uber. You can order a car, and the motherfucker come, the car ain't nobody in the car, nothing. You get in the back and just ride. Nigga, you're getting one of those? You watch, it's the future. You laughing right now. The Tesla, the Tesla do that. You gonna get in the car and ain't nobody gonna be driving. You gonna be going to your, okay, what's up, bro? You gonna be going to your location. Hey, you got raw cones? Hey, how you doing, ma'am? Okay, I didn't know you was a woman. I thought you was. Yeah. You got raw cones? Yeah. Okay. Let me get some of the cones. What's up, bro? How many want? Let me get those are the cones? Okay, that's good. How much?
This one you want?
How much? What?
This one?
$374 for one. Damn. This is what it felt to be. You feel me? What's up, bro? Hey, this is what it feel like to be regular. Yeah. Got him. Got the man. Appreciate it.
Man, you should have bought the whole box.
They did get the whole box? Yeah, I don't know about this shit, bro. I be doing this shit.
You can get the whole box.
How
many in that? 3?
Mm-hmm. They'd have been mad at me. I don't even know how many up in this motherfucker. 6 pack. We need more than that. Hey, I need the whole box. They said. I'm sorry. Yeah, they said we need the whole box, the whole thing. How much is? Cause it's only wasn't in one of these. There's only one of these, right?
Yep.
Let me get give me about 5 more of them. Yeah. Well, give me 3 more. I don't know. 3. I don't really know about this stuff. They usually do this stuff. I don't know. Yeah, just get. She like, no. Get 5. Get.
5 is good, man.
5 is good. Yep.
I smoke one time.
Okay. All right, we get 5. All right. How much? Wait, I didn't hear you. Okay. So.
I did a discount for you.
You did a discount for me, really? Why? Is it my shades? Is it my shades or is it my bucket hat? It made you give me the discount. and another thing, can I have a plastic bag, please? Thank you. I would like to be convenienced, please. Convenient me. Have a beautiful day, man. All right. Whoa, where my chain? Keep my chain. Hey, yo, you ain't nothing. No, keep it. She gonna say this. Keep my little chain. You gonna keep my chain, okay? You been watching her. I get that word. I don't the door see this. She'll give my chain. She's like, oh, you can't. She was like, I'm a penny pincher, nigga. I'm a Taurus. I'll try every penny, feel me? But I'm a very giving person too, because I'm a Cancer moon. So yeah, I'll give you my last because I just know I can get it like that. I will give you my last because I know that I can get back. I can get it back. You know, I've always been provided for in mysterious ways. Like when I give you something, I'm not looking for anything in return. Why? Because I don't want my blessing back from you. I want the universe to bless me in some other form. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm not doing it. I'm doing it because I just feel, you know what I mean? Do it. I'm not doing it looking for something in return from you. I'm not. I hate things like that. That's why I don't like, well, you got to buy this, buy that. Yeah, everything, dude. I got to give you something that I don't live. I do it from my heart. You know what I'm saying? And the universe, and what people don't realize. Look, when I left Puerto Rico, I left everything in my house, all the furniture. I had that RV van. I had the other van, 60 passenger. I literally gave all that stuff away. Because everybody had to catch a flight back. I gave the whole house away. Nigga, I sit here. And that's not the first time I've done it. I've done it like 10 times. I've given people dirt bikes, cars. I gave people shit like material things. No, I don't even want a lot of material things because it weighs you down. If I had to go somewhere, I just need to be able to pack a bag and go. I don't want too much material things because it'll slow me down from getting to where I need to go. I don't want that. You know what I'm saying? Like, and so, for me, it's like, I want to have the experience without having to keep that shit. I want to get it, but I want to keep it. You know what I mean? Like, so I don't want no commitment. You feel me? Give me the experience. You feel me? Like, I want the experience, maybe like a weekend, 2 weeks. I don't know if I want to be in this forever. So, you know what I mean? Commitment is my problem because I'm careful with my commitments. If that makes sense. I just grab a backpack, water. Niggas trying to really read these. Man, that Bubba Kush is the shit. This shit is the shit. Yo, I'm on another level. I love this shit. Hit me up for the plug. I got you. I can't tell you though. You can school yourself. No, you know you. And we don't know you. We don't know. Yep. Oh my God. And wait till we get the gelato. I got gelato in the air. Back for life. I don't even know what that means. Back. You know what that means? Back. Then like, I don't know what that is. A bag. Put it back in the bag. Put it back in my bag. Just put the bag. Put it back in my bag. Fuck you, nigga. He said the bag pack. The bag pack. I don't even know what you. Right here. Yeah, right. I got gelato in the air. Miss Passion, what's up, baby? Your laugh is contagious. Hey, yo. Hey, yo. Yo, bruh. This shit go. I like this shit. See, it took me a minute because I went through like four buds trying to find the right one to get me in my wave. And this is the one. It would be the one you were smoking. This nigga. He like, yo, this the one I'm on. I'm like, what else you got? Cause I'm the type of nigga don't want to do what another nigga is doing. Oh shit. Boy, you got some good ass. Look, and this is the comp. If you want to feel like me right now. If you want to feel like me right now.
Oh, you know this nigga high. I'm talking about this nigga love everything.
Oh, I love that. I told you I pack light. What the fuck's in this bag then? Oh, yes, right. Oh, yeah, these are the cones. Yep, the cones. I forgot about that, and I forgot about the liquor. The box in the bag. Yep. Damn, this bud is the shit. This shit I'm on right now. Yo. This shit is crazy. This shit right here, man. This that Bubba Kush. This shit got you. It gets you where you need to go. And then if you hit it, so they're not watching me on the live, obviously. Or maybe it's like a lag.
Yeah, and I be smoking every second of the day. I got blood in my hand. Man.
Oh my! You so used to it. You used to it. I ain't get used to it yet. I'm still in the beginning stages of feeling that shit. What's taking forever to come to the door? Yo, y'all not paying attention? Come on, bro. Come on. Y'all come on downstairs, bro. Okay. Get this shit out my hand. Where y'all at? You got hands. Yo, where are y'all at? Doing what? Doing in the closet for what? What y'all organizing? Oh, no, I had to. I'm just saying, what y'all doing?
You got it.
Y'all didn't hear that I was here?
Yeah, I thought
so. Why y'all didn't pull up? Why y'all didn't pull up?